Go around the rise, say, I'm a massaih. I should on vibrations, every baka. May your mind, bakas, and souls be old. May your armors be sound. May your bakas be leavened off ground. When we keep to the breath, to the earth, to the moth, or to the sayon, the soul of Ra, guys, and keeps you old. I on my I say Ra. The Ma Ed Ela E say El say I, Christ Ore Chaplet Tata Abid say Otara, the sound Messiah. I am my truth awareness, true talk. Can be a part of the greatest transfer of Ma'el, that's intelligence, Samanology to Ungodu. This is sound logic. And with all that being offered to you, being a fool is absolutely your choice to raise. Ray 1952. Go to Google, go to Apple, download this Kagadora app, go to AminRa.com, buy the printed versions. While you're there, get some books, get some apparel, wear with the devil's fear. We're in the Facebook memories 5 years ago. We're going to listen to a minute reel that I made introducing what I called that time the numerals. Now they're ba or else. Ba or else replaces numbers. So listen up, and I want to help you recognize, like, I just keep doing laps. Okay, laps. Like, I'm not even kidding you. Laps around the conscious community. Okay, and it's tightening this noose. And so you need to recognize and realize that we're at the Hail Mary zone. Okay, this is what's required to get out of this shit. Okay, and I'm that Ma-Ri-El that you need to El give breath to. Go to Jesus.com, sign up, and get with me. Because I am the Sound Messiah. The only thing bringing in the new.
And the numerals by I am truth
Happy
awareness.
high vibrations, everybody. May your mind, body, and soul be whole. May your spirit be clean. May your body be separate from the machine. When we stand along baton, Metanator guides and protects you. A little sneak preview of and new numerals brought to you by yours truly. Copyrighted by me, but available to everybody. No more working with crooked, broken lines, calling them numbers, keeping your brain numb. Let's get at it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There you go, everybody. I'm going to be able to have this on download for you by CD. You'll be able to hook it up, pull it up out of your computer like font.
And the numerals by I am truth.
All right, so did you catch that? The introduction there? It didn't sound like it was today. That's why I made sure that I gave you what was happening today. So that's just proof of my evolution. Like, all you Egyptians and everybody, like even you Moors, I've been through your schools, all of them. Okay, every one. And you guys are real sorry that I graduated and left. Because if I stayed in your school, if it was the Moor, I would be the top Moor right now. Okay, definitely with everything that I got and bring forward, I would have had all my innovations, under the Moor title. Not happening. Okay, same thing with the Egypt and the Anu and all this types of shit. I even have a cryptocurrency called the Anu. You understand that? And then before I recognized and realized that was corrupt too. Okay, so the only thing that's not corrupt is sound, and that sound coming out of Ra. And I'm the administrator to Ra. Okay, so hoorah. You guys got to come to Jesus.com, sign up, and start proliferating all of the innovation of thought that I have brought forth through sound logic.